Welcome back to Woodworker Express. Today I'm going to be showing you our WE preferred metal drawer box system.
Oh yeah.
Now in this video I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about our drawer box system. We have a sample drawer here, kind of going to walk you through how we put it together. Going to show you what comes in the box and show you what kind of accessories are available for this drawer system. Now these drawer slides come with the side. It's a metal side double wall, as you see here, with the drawer slide buried underneath. Now this double wall metal drawer box system features full extension soft close drawer slides, 2D adjustment with both the vertical and horizontal adjustment of the front panel, and a dynamic load of 77 pounds. Now these drawer slides come anywhere from 10 inches long all the way up to 22 inches long. Now what comes in the box is going to be obviously your left and your right drawer slide and side all packaged together. Your metal brackets that hold the back panel of the drawer onto these slides. Your drawer front adapters that connect the front of the drawer to the slide. And of course the cover clips which hide your adjustment hole, which is right here. Now these drawer slides come with a standard height of 86 millimeters or 3.39 inches, I believe. Now this standard height works perfect for your top drawer in say your kitchen or your bath, but if you're looking for a taller drawer, we do sell the rear brackets separately with different heights, ranging from 5 inches all the way up to 7 inches, along with the gallery rails, which come as a set. You'll get one for each side, and I believe for the 7-inch you can get double gallery rail, which would be 2 on each side. Looks something like this picture you see right here. Now, first things first, this is just a sample piece that we made here at the office. So it just gives you, an idea of what it looks like. Slides out like so. To get these off, you just basically pull up from the front and they unhook. That easy. There's no clip that actually locks it, and you have to squeeze it like undermount slides. It's just got a little clip here that actually pinches and it works off of, the weight. So it also connects in the rear, just like your other drawer slides do. It has a rear slide connection right here. So when you're putting these back in, you would just basically put it into the drawer, slide it until it clicks. Very similar to the undermount, except it just does not have the undermount clip that you need to normally squeeze. So you just pull it up and that is it. Now, as far as all of the mechanics to lift the drawer up and down and move it left to right are behind that little panel, which I have taken out right here. It's got numerous positions. So there's one that's a little flap. So if you have the flap and then you twist that way, so you squeeze the flap down, twist, it actually disconnects the front drawer front, and it's pretty quick and easy. So we just flip that piece down and spin it forward. Simple as that. So these are going to be your connectors. These you have to line up exactly where you want on your drawer front. I put a center line and then I bring it out a certain amount of millimeters that it needs to for the drawer front. And I have all that in the instruction help video that I mentioned that's listed down below. And as you see here, we're going to leave the front off for now. You can see we have the bottom, which is a 16 millimeter. Any kind of wood that you have lying around you can use for your bottom. You'll just screw it in from the bottom and it just slides right in. And then you have your back panel, which has 4 screws in the back that hold it to your back clips. So really, your back clips do everything, your sides do everything. All you need to do is come up with a drawer front, which you already have to do for a drawer anyhow. Come up with a back panel and a bottom panel. That is it. And also you do have your 2 other Phillips head adjustments in here that's going to bring your drawer up and down and then left and right. Now in order to put the drawer front back, it's as simple as lining them up with those holes, popping them in, you're ready to go. And then if you want to put your drawer slide back on or your drawer box back into your slide, clip it right in, full extension as you can see, and soft close. Perfect little drawer slide. Saves you time and saves you money. Now be sure to check out woodworkerexpress.com. Find out more information. Check out our other videos on the WE preferred metal drawer box system. I also have a link in the description somewhere in this video.